Andrew Carnegie was born in 1835 in Scotland. In 1848, his family immigrated to the United States. As a young boy, Carnegie worked as a messenger in a telegraph office until his skills as a telegrapher landed him a position with the Pennsylvania Railway. After the Civil War, he started an extremely successful steel company named Carnegie Steel. Using his railroad contacts to get jobs, his business began expanding. He began building steel bridges for trains, but his true genius was in industrial organization. Designing efficient productive systems, managing costs, controlling quality, and organizing people is what Carnegie used to give birth to the industrial age. Before the industrial age, goods were manufactured in small shops and were very expensive. With the innovation of working in groups and in factories, goods could be mass-produced and the price could be cut dramatically. However, some would claim that this caused class conflict between the rich and the poor with the development of the newly established middle class. But what these antagonists fail to recognize is that although wealth falls in the hands of the few, quality of living goes up for everybody. The way Andrew Carnegie would see it is in the laws of competition. What this law states is simply this, that the price that society pays for the law of competition, like the price it pays for cheap comforts and luxuries, is also great. But the advantages of this law are also greater still, for it is to this law that we owe our great material development, which brings improved conditions in its train. It's undisputable that the quality of life has greatly improved since the industrial age. But with the problem of money falling into the hands of the few, Carnegie would say this: "It is the duty of the man of wealth to set an example of modest, unostentatious living, shunning the display of extravagance." Take multi-billionaire Bill Gates, for example. As one of the richest men in the world, Gates and his wife have formed the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This organization spreads the tremendous amount of wealth Gates has acquired in his life by making donations that better society and the world. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation donated nearly $3 million to support relief efforts for the tsunami in Indonesia that occurred in 2006. In conclusion, regardless of how wealth is distributed, there will always be the poor, there will always be the rich, and there will be those in between. And there will always be individualism. But the millionaire will be a trustee for the poor, and the best minds will be rewarded.